People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now.
The only company to come back with a detailed written quote rather than an estimate. Reasonably priced, made a point of showing his gas safeguard, including the back, which confirms exactly what a plumber is qualified to do. Thorough in his work, for example, product registrations all completed, did a decent job of tidying up afterward. Hard to find fault, and I'll certainly be using him for all future plumbing work.
5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.